guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today we're going to talk about Chaste tree. Unfortunately, another casualty of this harsh winter we had. It's a beautiful tree, first mid-size to come on the market. Grows about 6 to 10 feet tall. It's native to Mediterranean region and hardy to zone 6. It produces beautiful bluish-purplish flowers resembling salvia. They're completely irresistible to hummingbird, butterflies, and another beneficial pollinators. For the first time in 7 years, it completely died to the ground and new growth emerges. Luckily, it blooms on new wood and it grows fast, so I'm sure we can enjoy this tree again. Now we're gonna cut down all dead branches, and I'm really excited to try this new mini chainsaw our friend lended to us. Let's get to work. I'm also gonna use this lopper to, let's see how it works, to cut so we can get easy access to the bottom. And we're done with cutting all these dead branches. And obviously the tool mini chainsaw our friend lended to us was super helpful. We can see beautiful leaves resembling Japanese maples, and hopefully soon in the summer we can enjoy, along with pollinators, beautiful flowers. And in the fall, birds like to feed on seeds of this Chaste tree as well. It produces beautiful